What's up, guys? I want to make a really quick video here, and this is about getting your steering wheel controls to work with a Atoto or Atoto, I don't know how you pronounce this, but stereo unit. Now, at first I was under the impression that you needed one of these. This is one of these access units, and you don't need one for this particular unit. Now, this is not a knock on these guys. I mean, if you have a name brand like Alpine, Pioneer, you know, a name brand unit, and you have a bunch of different buttons, this will most likely make your life a lot easier and just auto program everything for you. And all you gotta do is connect a few wires. All these wires you don't really need. You only need like one of these color and a power and a ground. That's all you really need. So it's really simple to hook up, but you don't need one. So I'm gonna show you how I got this hooked up, guys. This is a 2004 F-150. So here's my factory harness here, and it's just the light blue and red. I'm tapped in here. Of course, I'm a solder and heat shrink this all up, but this is for testing purposes. And I've got it going into the so get this in focus, steering wheel key plus. All right, so just that one wire. So I'm in the program screen, so let me show you how to get to this. It's not, so you go into settings, go to default settings, then steering wheel program. All right, so once you're in here, you just press the button you want to program. So, I mean, the biggest pet peeve about the stereo is that it doesn't have an actual physical volume button. So I'm so used to driving and just kind of reaching over without even looking, or using steering wheel controls. Now, so let's show you how this is going to work. So if you want to program, all you got to do is hit your button, all right, and then hit the button you want. Bam, it's that easy. So you do that for, now for these memories, like I'm gonna use for a track skip. So I hit that, and I'm just gonna use this for a track skip. Boom. And go back. Boom. All right, guys, so then I hit save. So once I go back home, so as you can see, guys, it works just fine. And you don't need this. You do need to program it, but as you can see, it couldn't be easier. So just a heads up. And the reason why, because this auto function, it doesn't work on this radio anyway. So you're kind of wasting your time and money if you're buying one of these in order to use on one of these types of stereos. So just letting you guys know, if you like what you saw in this video, please like and subscribe. See you later.